Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for anxiety relief, for healing your body and balancing your nervous system so your mind is quiet and calm and you can rest deeply. Please get ready for this practice. Lie down in Shavasana on your back with your feet apart, the palms turned upwards and your eyes closed. Make all the necessary adjustments so that you are as comfortable as possible. There shouldn't be any movement, just pure rest and stillness. Through this whole practice, really focus on maintaining the awareness of hearing and feeling. The body sleeps, but the mind remains awake. May the sounds of the ocean waves from Peru soothe your nervous system so you can come back to harmony and peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe in, feel coolness and calmness spreading throughout your body. As you breathe out, feel your cares and worries flowing out of you, dropping away. Become aware of your body and relax yourself completely. Feel the space your body is taking. Feel your legs becoming heavier and more relaxed. Your head, your arms and your hands. Keep the awareness of your body right from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And say in your mind, Om. Complete awareness of the whole body. Say to yourself again, Om. Relax your whole body mentally. Relax yourself mentally. Relax yourself by breathing and becoming aware of the breath as it moves between the navel and the throat. Awareness of your natural breath, not forcing anything. Just like the waves are flowing in and out, your breath is flowing in and out, freely and openly. Navel to throat breathing. Go on with this awareness and slowly feel yourself becoming even more relaxed. Now it's time to make your resolve, your sankalpa, intention for this practice. If you have your sankalpa already, you can connect with it and say it 3 times quietly in your mind. But if you don't have one, you can simply repeat, I am in perfect harmony and balance. I flow with the waves of life gracefully. I am in perfect harmony and balance, and I flow with the waves of life gracefully. I am in perfect harmony and balance, and I flow with the waves of life gracefully. Beautiful. Release your sankalpa now out to the universe. And we're going to go now through a body awareness, focusing on each little body part. Let your mind just jump freely from one part to the other. Starting with your right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth finger, little finger, the palm of your hand, back of your hand, your wrist, lower arm, the elbow, right upper arm, your shoulder, right armpit, the waist, right hip, and then the thigh, going lower through your kneecap, your calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, right sole of your foot, top of the foot, right toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now your left hand thumb, the second finger, third finger, 4th, and the 5th little finger. Feel the left palm of your hand and back of the hand, your wrist, lower arm, elbow, the upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, the waist on the left side, the hip, your left thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, left heel, the sole of your foot, the top of your foot, left toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let go of your toes now. Go back to the right toes and feel your right foot again. Your right leg, the kneecap, the thigh, the right hip, the right side of your waist, the shoulder, and the arm, and then the right hand fingers, one by one. Go back to your left foot toes. Feel your whole left foot, the lower leg, the knee, left thigh, left hip, the waist, the armpit, left shoulder, the whole arm, and each finger on the left hand. Go to the back of your body, feel the back of the head, where it touches the surface underneath you. The back of your neck, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the whole spine, right hip and the left hip, right glute and the left glute, back of the right thigh, back of the left thigh, back of the right knee, back of the left knee, right calf muscle, left calf muscle, right ankle, left ankle, right heel and the left heel. Let go of your back now and go to the front of your body, the top of your head, forehead, right eyebrow and left eyebrow, a space between your eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, the space behind your eyes, right ear, left ear, right nostril and left nostril. Feel the air coming in and out of your nose. Right cheek and left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, your chin, the jaw and jaw muscles, your throat, the right collarbone and the left collarbone, the right side of your chest and the left side, and the middle of the chest, your navel, the upper abdomen, lower abdomen, right groin, and the left groin, right thigh, left thigh, right knee, and the left knee, back to your right toes and your left toes. Now feel the whole of the right leg, the whole of the left leg, both legs together, whole of the right arm, whole of the left arm, both arms together, whole of the head together, the whole body together. Visualize the whole body Intensify your awareness. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body, just lying down and relaxing. Become aware now of the meeting points between your body and the surface underneath you. Feel the meeting points between the body and the bed or the earth you're lying on. Feel the surface underneath you holding you to its bosom, like a baby in arms. Now concentrate on your body as if you are seeing it from the outside. Look at your body as an object. See your head, your clothes, your whole body from top to bottom. See your body as an object, a reflection in an imaginary mirror. Looking at your own reflection in the mirror, your feet, your legs, your belly, your chest, everything reflected in that mirror. Awareness of your body as an object. Let go of your body awareness now and bring your attention to your natural, quiet breath. Become aware of your breath flowing through your nostrils, meeting the top of your nose, exhaling again through your nostrils. Be aware of the breath passing through both nostrils. Think of the breaths as starting separately from a distance and drawing near, uniting in the eyebrow center. Continue your awareness of breathing, letting this breath flow through your nostrils and up to your third eye center. Relaxing more and more. Maintain your awareness of this balancing breath, bringing your peace and harmony. And start counting these breaths backwards. Starting from 11 when you inhale. Exhale 11. Inhale 10. And exhale 10. Keep going like this until you go to 1. If you make a mistake, come back to 11. Lovely. Just let go of your breath now. We're going to go through awareness of sensations. Awaken the experience of heaviness in your whole body. Feel your legs heavy, your glutes, your back. Your whole body is heavy. Your whole body is heavy. Now lightness. Manifest the experience of a lightness in your body. Feeling light from the top of your head. Feeling light and soft in your shoulders, in your belly, in your thighs, in your whole legs. Concentrate on this feeling of a lightness that is gradually expanding through your body. Feel yourself floating up from the floor. You are so light that you're floating to the ceiling. Now connect to the experience of pain. Recollect any kind of pain you have experienced in your life. It can be a physical or a mental pain. Try to make that experience of pain as clear as possible. Deepen your awareness and feel that pain intensely. Continue to focus on this experience. Now the feeling of pleasure. Concentrate and remember the feeling of pleasure. Maybe according to your sense of touch, smell, taste, hearing or sight. Any kind of mental pleasure. Recall that pleasure and try to develop it into an intense, ecstatic experience. Let go now of any feelings and any sensations and connect back with your inner space of total awareness. Think of the ocean, a dark blue ocean, becoming aware of the waves. The ocean lies within your inner space, and the rolling waves represent your sleep, the manifesting unconscious state of your mind. Become aware of sleep and try to visualize the state of unconsciousness within you, like waves of the ocean. Above is a beautiful blue sky, and below is the vast ocean with infinite waves. The manifesting process of unconsciousness. Let these waves Heal any pain, any discomfort, any anxiety and stress, and let these waves bring you peace, abundance, and deep relaxation. Imagine a well that you are looking into, a well that is dark and deep. There is a bucket on a chain. You lower it into the well and it moves into complete darkness. You can feel it on the chain in the depths. Now pull the bucket up and up out of the darkness and into the light. Complete awareness that you are here, emerging from the darkness to light. From the darkness into light. Be full of light. Bringing your awareness back to the present. I'm going to name a few objects and you should try to visualize them on the levels of thinking and the levels of feeling, emotion, awareness, and imagination as best as you can. Jumping your mind from image to image. Flickering candle, weeping willow tree, a tall palm tree, a car moving on the road, colored clouds on the sky, yellow clouds, blue clouds, starlit night, a full moon, rising sun, setting sun, the ocean with waves, a big pond with clear water, a blue lotus, white lotus, yourself lying down without clothes, completely naked, a cold winter, a fire burning in the house, a monk with shaven head, a yogi sitting in a deep meditation, Christ showing compassion. Intensify your awareness and go to an infinite ocean, calm and quiet, connecting to the sounds of this ocean. There is a sound, an infinite ocean, blue and green, with big waves flowing in and out. And all around, the sound of Om can be heard. chanting Om over the infinite ocean. You are totally free, totally relaxed, totally present with your awareness. Let go of all these images now and come back to your resolve. Remember your resolve and repeat it 3 times. The intention we stated at the start of this practice. I am in perfect balance and harmony. I am flowing gracefully with the waves of life. Relax all efforts now and bring your attention to the natural breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Maintain your awareness of the breath and at the same time develop your awareness of physical relaxation. Awareness of relaxation and awareness of your physical existence, becoming aware of your body. Visualize your body lying on your bed or on the ground. Take your mind out and visualize the surroundings of your room. Let your mind become completely external. Do not open your eyes. Become aware that you are practicing Yoga Nidra. Lie quietly until your attention is completely externalized. If you're ready to go to sleep or for longer rest, you can stay here now, connecting and relaxing. Or if you want to slowly come out, start moving your body and stretching yourself. Take your time, there's no hurry. And then when you are sure you are wide awake, sit up slowly and open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Take another breath in and a full breath out. And thank yourself for this beautiful practice, for staying strong, for staying aware, and for taking the time for healing and expanding. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. Have a lovely evening or rest of your day. Namaste.